Okay, so I put my glasses on today so I can talk to you about taxes, okay? No. Today we're going to be talking about the luxury tax here in Canada. And in this video today, I'm going to cover basically three things. One, what the hell is this luxury tax? Basically, who has to pay it? Second of all, if you are a dealer, how does that affect you in terms of the disclosures that you have to make? And number three, how the hell do you calculate the luxury tax? Let's get into it.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So the first step is, like I mentioned, what is this luxury tax? So here in Canada, effective September 1st, that's coming very soon, the government is going to put in place this luxury tax. And the luxury tax is going to be for any car or plane sold over $100,000 will have to pay that taxes. Now, it's very easy to sell a car these days over $100,000. Well, not cars, I'll say like most SUVs, pickup trucks. By the time you put some extra features and add-ons on there, you could very easily be over $100,000. Any of those electric vehicles is going to be over $100,000. So I don't know that you actually luxury here. I mean, you're just trying to buy an EV and you're going to be over 100 grand. But regardless, that's not the point. You're going to have to pay that. If you are buying certain vessels, apparently certain boats and yachts or whatever, over $250,000 may have to pay this luxury tax as well. Okay. Now the second part to this video is how do you as a dealer stay compliant and how do you disclose those taxes? Now, here is what OMVIC have to say about this new luxury tax. OMVIC is stating that you still have to be in compliance with the MVDA. And what does that mean is the only thing that is not included in the price of the car is HST and licensing. So when you advertise your car, it's supposed to include everything, including this new luxury tax, and all you can say is plus HST and licensing. So if you sell a car over $100,000, you would need to know how to calculate that tax, how to calculate the luxury tax and include it in the price. So now we're gonna look at two examples of how to calculate the taxes, okay? Because it's not too complicated, but you need to understand how to do it, okay? So let's look at how to calculate those taxes. Okay, now I'm gonna give you two examples of how to calculate those taxes based on the government. So let's just say the retail price of the car is $90,000. You would have to include all of the fees or anything that the dealer charges. I know when you buy a new car, there's tons of different fees and stuff on there. We don't really need to go through this line by line, but the idea is the selling price of the vehicle plus any additional fees that a dealership have to charge you, the final sale price of the vehicle. So that includes the vehicle and any add-ons. You know, maybe you bought some extra rims or whatever the case may be. Any add-ons, the total price of the vehicle is what we calculate the taxes. So in this example here, the government is showing that what if the vehicle was $90,000 and then there's a bunch of shit added on, the vehicle is now $106,000. How do we calculate the taxes? So what we're going to do is there's two ways they want you to do it. You can do 10% of the total value of the vehicle. So in this case, the $106,000, 10% of that is $10,600. Or the second option, whatever is over $100,000, 20% of that. So in this case, $6,000, 20% of $6,000 is $1,200. So the government is saying this is the two ways to calculate the taxes, whichever is lesser is the one that we use. 20% of whatever is over 100 grand, in this case is 20% over $6,000, which is 1,200. So you can see that $1,200 is the lesser number. So we'll use this as the amount to tax the person. Just keep in mind, OMVIC is saying that this number need to be the advertised number, okay? So which means this is the selling price of the vehicle. I add the taxes on the vehicle. This is the number you should be advertising your vehicle for sale. So if you want to be in compliance with OMVIC, this is the number you have to advertise. Now in example number 2, let's say the vehicle is being sold for $400,000. Now again, whatever credits the dealership gives you slash add-ons will be calculated here, because remember the government just want to know what the total sale price is. So in this case, whether there's a $4,000 credit, another $100 credit, and then another custom duty of $24,000, the bottom line is this number is important. So the final sale price of the vehicle is $424,150 basically is the final sale price of the vehicle. So 10% of that total number is $42,415. 20% of whatever is over $100,000 is going to be $64,860. So that means you did the 20% of $324,150, if that makes sense. Okay, so in this case, the 10% situation is cheaper, lesser. So now we're going to tax the person $42,000. And just keep in mind, OMVIC is saying that this number need to be the advertised number. Okay, so which means this is the selling price of the vehicle. I add the taxes on the vehicle. This is the number you should be advertising your vehicle for sale. Not $424,000, but $466,000. So if you want to be in compliance with OMVIC, this is the number you have to advertise. Hopefully this was helpful, and whoever is selling those high-end cars, I think this is what you need to pay attention to. Okay, good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. If you made it to the end of this video here, just go in the comment section, just say yes. Only I will know what that means. That means you watch this video to the end, okay? And if you made it to the end and you haven't subscribed yet, just hit on my face right here, and that will make you subscribe, okay? Very easy. And also, YouTube is saying that you might like to see this video. They're suggesting this for you, so maybe check it out. Also, you could tell me in the comment section which one is suggested to you.